So I want to address a few things before we start today's video. I started this channel 3 years ago for a creative outlet because I needed something to do with my free time. And I have loved every single minute of it. It has been an adventure. I've found things that I never thought I would find. I've seen things I thought I would never see. And this has just truly been a labor of love. I mean, I'm still working a 40-hour-a-week job because I don't make much money from doing this. I do this for your entertainment, for my creative outlet, and that's about it. I always felt that if Bob and I can make someone laugh or put a smile on somebody's face, we've done it. We've arrived. We've done our job. But the last video, it upset quite a few of you. And let me read you some of these comments. Ron Hoffman says, I can't believe you're not separating the scrap metal from the wiring. And he got 25 thumbs up, including from myself. John Long, what happened, Shane? Your channel used to be about scrapping and recycling the metals you'd find. I do understand the Junk Wizard cleanouts have been profitable for you. However, dumping metals and things like furniture at the landfill isn't why my family subscribed to your channel. Doing your part in reusing, recycling, reselling, and donating is why we enjoy seeing Bob and yourself find cool things. I hope you haven't forgot why you started this channel. And my favorite is from Acceptable Channel. She says, I understand throwing non-metal stuff into the landfill, but why aren't you taking metal stuff to the salvage yard for more money? And this is where she puts a very positive spin on it and says, not enough time? Question mark. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Hugs, love, and be safe. So thank you so much for that. It was a very positive comment, even though she's asking what's going on here. So let me say this. I'm trying to start something new here, and I'm trying to film it at the same time. I'm trying to figure out how to tell the story. I'm trying to balance work, family, YouTube, this new side hustle, and everything else. Is it an excuse? No. Do I feel overwhelmed? Yeah, 100%, yes. Now, I've spoken to James, and he and I are both trying to figure out a system that works to get the metal out and get it recycled. It's a challenge because you're going out, you're doing 2 or 3 jobs, stuff gets put in the back, so then you try and work around it while you're trying to empty out the truck. It's a challenge, but we're getting there. Will I be keeping certain items for the antique booth? Yes, of course. But there are certain items that are too big, like furniture. If you get upset by seeing furniture being thrown into the landfill, I don't know what I can do to help you there. The thing is, a lot of these families, what you're not seeing on the front end, is they're calling Salvation Army, they're calling Goodwill, and they're asking them to come take the stuff because it has resale value. They don't want it. Salvation Army doesn't want it. Goodwill doesn't want it. The auction houses don't want it. The auction houses aren't even showing up to grab the furniture. So if you get upset because furniture is going to the landfill, I can't help you. There's just nothing I can do about it. I would love to open up a used furniture store and make some money that way, right? Not gonna happen. I don't have the time. What I can do is I pledge to do better with the metal. We will cut the cords. We will pile it into the truck or the pickup truck. We will put it into the trailer and we will get it to the scrapyard. I promise you we are gonna do better at that. Finally, will we ever get back to trash picking? Yes, 100% yes. Bob is out with foot surgery. He's recovering. He's gonna be off his feet for the next 4 weeks. It's dark outside. You can't see the trash cans unless you have a camera and a flashlight, and it's awkward, but hey, you know what? We'll get back to trash picking, I guarantee it. We will get back to citywide cleanouts, I guarantee it. Will we get back to dumpster diving? Maybe, I hope so. But you gotta remember, with dumpster diving, it takes 4 hours to get 15 minutes worth of content and $40 worth of metal. So you gotta sit there and you gotta ask yourself, is it worth it? But yes, I hope to get back to doing dumpster diving as well. Will junk removal ever go away? No, I don't think it will, because I am enjoying it and people are also enjoying the new content. I get a lot of good feedback on the junk removal videos. I'm trying to figure out how to film it just right and how to tell the story, and we're gonna get there together. So please be patient with me. I love all the feedback, I do. I love the fact that you love this planet enough to call me out for throwing metal into the landfill. Good for you, keep it up, I love it. But anyway, with that all being said, I hope you stick with me to see where this adventure goes. But for now on, let's just get on with the show. What's going on, everybody? How are you doing out there this fine day? I am here with Mr. James. Say hi, James.
Hey, how y'all doing?
We are here, let me show you where we're at. We are here at the landfill. We got a load. If you remember the last video I showed you that we picked up a couch and a chair, and then everything else in there was from the property. Well, everything in this truck is from the property. We've been cleaning like a bunch of crazy men. So anyway, looked at a job last night. I'm going to put the footage right here. Okay.
It's going to be all this side and all that side. Except for the dolly.
Well, come on. Coca-Cola dolly.
No.
You sure you don't want...
It's the only one that held up. I have 3 of them.
Got a TV in here too?
Yeah, there's a chair in there. It's just a bunch of old junk.
Okay.
This is never got hooked up.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
It's my mom's spending habits. I don't know if you guys do like yard waste.
We can, yeah.
I got a bunch of trees that I cut down.
Is the fence panel going to go?
Yeah.
Fence goes?
All this stuff.
All this stuff goes. You got a pretty good pile here.
Oh, yeah. And then I got 1 chair and an air conditioner that's in the garage. Other than that, that's it.
This AC unit and that chair.
Yep.
Okay.
And I can help you move that stuff out.
Okay.
I'd have to get this started and move it back a little bit.
Okay, no worries. And then this brush.
Yep.
And yeah, I bid that project for $800. There's a lot of stuff there. Anyway, haven't heard back. I doubt if we'll get it, but we'll see. So you don't need to go to the beach to see seagulls. You can come to the landfill. See, all this stuff besides that couch and that chair are all from our property. So we're getting it cleaned up. It's looking pretty good over there. All right, we had 2,900 pounds. 2,900 pounds for a 1.45 ton, which cost me $108.75. What the heck, man? All right, guys, we're over in Bettendorf here, and we are doing a clean out, and we're grabbing a bunch of banquet tables. We grabbed some mattresses and stuff upstairs, so I'll show you what we're getting here. So we're grabbing these right here for now. All right, so queen mattresses, twin mattresses, and box frame. James.
Yeah. We don't know what half this stuff is. Tables.
We got 3 of the big tables, 2 of the smaller tables.
They're in good shape yet.
Yeah, these are not too bad. These tables, desks. So that's everything we're picking up tonight. All right, guys, that's it. That's today's load. We had one more after this, but the guy bailed. So he had 2 couches, literally 2 couches. And he actually texted me back and said, I'm going to chop them up and burn them in my fireplace. I'm like, okay, dude, whatever. Anyway, we are heading over to another clean out, another junk removal jobs. Not a very big one. I'm going to meet James over there, and I'm not sure exactly what we're picking up. Sometimes these jobs run together, but I'll show you when I get there. So that recliner is gonna go.
Good.
Alright, so that light, which is also attached to a switch, so I'm gonna unplug it.
Okay.
This chair, this desk, all of that there, and this here, this, all this stuff goes.
Okay.
This is kept, I'm keeping that.
Okay.
So all this goes in that recliner.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. James and I have a job that we need to use the trailer for, and that means we got to empty out all the scrap metal. So we are back here at the scrap yard. Show you what the load looks like, and then I got a message for you from Bob.
Hey, just wanted to say hello from everybody. Haven't seen y'all for a while. You know I'm laid up. Of course, I had to have my foot surgery. And my little girl here, Sophie. Hey, Sophie, can you say hi to everybody? I want to say hello to everybody and let you know I'm doing fine. Sure don't like laid up. It's no fun. You can walk around with a walker, keeping it off her foot. I should have never had this surgery. Shane's out working with James. They're doing a good job, looks like. I've been replaced for a while. Well, I miss y'all. Just had to give you a tour of my leg and show you what it looks like. Say hello and let you know we're still around. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching our channel for sure.
What in the hell? Well, I don't think we're gonna be able to get all this to everybody. We're just gonna have to cut as close as we can. What nice cutters, man. Slice right through that stuff like butter. All right, everybody, we had 740 pounds at 140 net ton for 51.80. Not too bad. Of course, we got to split that with Bobbin because it's that was a lot of his metal that we both collected together. So I'll save half of it for him. And now we're heading out to get up a freezer. So let's go. Look at that backup job. Woo! Damn. All right, take a before action shot here. Slow down there, muscles from Brussels. Damn. Huh. Watch your footing. Now I can reach it. I can reach it. Okay. All right, just that easy, boys and girls. $125 made. And we'll take her down to the scrapyard and scrap it out. All right, guys.
Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
So we got railroad ties throughout here. I thought they were going to be stacked and ready to go. We're going to get this stuff loaded up here as quick as we can. Oh. Slickery.
Still good on the...
See, that's nice and light.
That's what I'm saying. Because that one was setting and soaked, and some of them are broke down. Then we come back to one like this, but it's partially broke.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know.
So here's the stuff we got yesterday. But first we're going to get some metal out of here. So we can keep that out of the scrapyard. Or keep it out of the landfill, I mean.
What about the cords?
Yeah, we'll take it. I'll just cut them. Yeah.
That guy was so kind, he donated us a Samsung Galaxy
Yeah?
Note 9
All right, nice. And a laptop.
and a laptop.
All right, well, I want to put this stuff in the shed.
What do you want to do with the TV?
I'll bring you out one of those rolling carts.
Okay.
All right, and this looks nice and clean, huh? Maybe you don't remember what it looked like before, but yeah. So Ryan is my e-waste guy. So Ryan, there's a phone, laptop on top of another laptop. Let's just set that stuff down there by the... Just use muscles. All right, there you go, Ryan. 2 TVs waiting for you. Yep, thank you. Yep. All right.
Until we're done loading,
Yeah.
and just have to make sure.
And And then every time we come back with that metal on the end,
Take it off right
it's got to come off right away.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Look at that. Speaking of the devil, I just said Ryan needs to come and get these TVs, and there he is.
Hey, hi guys, how you doing?
Let me show you what you got.
Okay.
I even put them on little carts for you.
All right. Oh my, that one's a big one.
Yeah, yeah. So we got two big ones. There's two laptops behind there. If you want any of that electronics, just let me know. You can have it.
Okay.
There's a Samsung phone
All right.
and other stuff. So
All right, great.
take what you like, leave what you don't.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, brother. Well, guys, there you have it. We're keeping the metal out of the landfill to the best of our ability. We've got a system in place, so hopefully things will go a lot smoother. Good news is I did get that $800 job, so this Saturday we're going to be out there loading all that stuff up into an empty truck, hopefully. So, yeah, we got a lot of the good things going on. So anyway, thanks for all your comments. Thanks for caring for Mother Earth. Thanks for keeping me on the straight and narrow. And just take care of yourselves, everybody. Be safe out there and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.